Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the ATM limit for Novo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Novo is. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. One of the benefits of using Novo is that you can withdraw money from any ATM in the world. However, there is a limit to how much you can withdraw at a time. So, what is the ATM limit for Novo? The ATM limit for Novo is $500 per day. This means that you can withdraw up to $500 from any ATM in the world, up to a total of $500 per day. If you need to withdraw more than $500 in a day, you can do so by contacting Novo customer support. They can help you set up a higher withdrawal limit. In addition to the daily withdrawal limit, there is also a monthly withdrawal limit. The monthly withdrawal limit for Novo is $10,000. This means that you can withdraw up to $10,000 from any ATM in the world, up to a total of $10,000 per month. If you need to withdraw more than $10,000 in a month, you can do so by contacting Novo customer support. They can help you set up a higher withdrawal limit. Now that you know the ATM limits for Novo, you can make sure that you have enough cash on hand when you need it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.